Tariki 6 mweri wa 11 mwaka wa 2016 niguo Uria wari murutani munene wa thukuru wa sekondari wa anake wa Kioho Solomon Mwangi oragirwo. Ukirikana mutumia wake Jane Muthoni niwe wathugundire njama ya njuragano eno kuri arihire arume atatu aria matafanirie giko giki kia magigi.
Zaidi miaka lowango.
Kuringana na uira uria waheanitwo igoti-ini wonanitie Jane Muthoni, Isaac Ng'ang'a hamwe na Patrick Njiro uria wathire riuriro-ini kuma riria njuragano eno yatafanirio, undu umwe na Joseph Kariuki uria kurikanite ta Karis ni mathugundite kwa ihinda na kubanga njama uria mekuraga Solomon kwa ihinda ria mieri iganona. Gukirikana kiria giacungiriirie Muthoni gutafania giko giki ni thutha wa gwikuira muthuriwe gukorwo na ndugu ya kiwendo na muiritu umwe wa ukuru wa miaka 28.
Can I say something?
Uira uyu ni uthiete na mbere na kuga Mwangi ambire gwikirirwo ndawa ya toro iria irerikana ihuthagirwo ni mahiu niguo kumuhuguia mbere ya mwikuirwo Karis uria wetikirire thitango ya njuragano eno na gucoka gukundikwo kioho kia miaka 7 manyitanire na mwikuirwo umwe kuraga Solomon Mwangi na njira ya kumuguthana kindu gituhu mbere ya kumuita na mukwa uria mareheirwo ni mutumia wake. Mbere ya mucirithania wa igoti ria Naikuru Joel Ngugi, riboti cia uthuthuria wa mwiri wonanitie mwiri wa mutigaire wari na nguraro njuru cia mutwe, maguru hamwe na ciiga cia kuma njohero kwambata na iguru, guku ngingo yake ikionania ni aititwo.
Mr. Solomon Mwangi Mputhi, a former principal of Kiru Boys High School in Muranga, died by all accounts a brutal death. Dr. Peter Ndego, the pathologist who conducted post-mortem examination of the body, concluded that the cause of death was asphyxia neck compression due to manual and ligature strangulation. Toxicological results from the specimens harvested from the body showed that xylazine, a strong sedative commonly used in veterinary treatments, was present in the body.
Na ni undu wa uira uyu mucirithania Ngugi ni ugite cira uyu autuithanitie na uma na kihoto kuona Muthoni ari na maruru ma kwirihiria na njira ya kuraga muthuriwe na uguo ni athaganitie njama ya kumuraga maita maigana.
I've carefully considered all the factors in this case on an individualized basis as I'm required to do. First, the killing here was not only premeditated, but it involved a high degree of planning. Of the view that a custodial sentence of 30 years for each of the two accused persons is the appropriate sentence.
Na kiroko kia umuthi area ya Jane Muthoni hamwe na Isaac Ng'ang'a ni manyitikanire na mahitia ma njuragano eno na gukundikwo kioho kia miaka 30 o mundu. Guku kioho kia Muthoni gikiambiriria gutarirwo kuma tariki 22 mweri wa 11 mwaka wa 2016 nake Isaac Ng'ang'a agitarirwo kuma tariki 28 mweri wa Dithemba mwaka wa 2016 riria area ya maikirio ngono.